Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change one setting to speed up your internet in Windows 11. We are going to change the DNS server to Cloudflare. Cloudflare DNS is faster, more secure, and improves browsing privacy. Let's get started. First, click on the Start button and open Settings. Now click on Network and Internet. If you are using Wi-Fi, click on Wi-Fi. Next, click on your connected network. Scroll down and find DNS Server Assignment. Click on Edit. Change the setting from Automatic DHCP to Manual. Turn on IP version 4. In the Preferred DNS field, type 1.1.1.1. In the Alternate DNS field, type 1.0.0.1. Now turn on IP version 6. In the Preferred DNS field, type 2606:4700:4700:1111. In the Alternate DNS field, type 2606:4700:4700:1001. Click Save. If you are using a cable connection, click on Ethernet and follow the same steps as shown for Wi-Fi. That's it. Your Windows 11 PC is now using Cloudflare DNS for faster and more secure internet. For best results, disconnect and reconnect your internet once. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.